Is your engine hard to start? Does it randomly die? If so, you might want to take a close look at your fuel filter. The fuel filter attaches to a length of fuel line inside of the fuel tank. The fuel filter is weighed, which allows the filter to move around in the tank and always stay submerged in fuel as the engine is tipped. The fuel filter removes any dirt or other debris that might be in the fuel. The fuel passages in the carburetor are tiny, and it doesn't take much dirt to plug them, so a properly maintained fuel filter is critical to a good running engine. The fuel filter should be inspected often and replaced at least yearly. If the fuel filter becomes clogged, the flow of fuel will be restricted, causing the engine to not start or to run poorly and sporadically die. Replacing the fuel filter is an easy repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I access the fuel filter through the fuel tank opening. I'll use a hook to grab the fuel line and pull the fuel filter line from the tank. I've just bent this hook out of a piece of scrap wire. Now I'll pull the fuel filter away from the fuel line. I'll just press the new fuel filter back onto the fuel line and insert this assembly back into the tank. And I'll resecure the fuel cap.